If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends Twitter account or website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection and resolve minor glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help reset your internet connection and improve stability. Step 4. Change your network settings. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if possible. Alternatively, you can also change your DNS settings to use a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 for potentially better connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors and enjoy playing Apex Legends again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.